Google AI Studio text-to-speech is unlimited. 2026 guide. What if I told you that you can generate high-quality AI voiceovers for free using Google AI Studio? No expensive tools, no complicated setup, just powerful text-to-speech built right in. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. Step 1. Create a new prompt. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Create New Prompt. This is where you'll generate your voice. Step 2. Choose the right model. At the top, tap on the model selector. Select a Gemini model like Gemini Flash, Gemini Pro. These support audio output. Step 3. Switch output to audio. On the right side, find response modality. Change it from text audio. This tells the AI to generate voice instead of text. Step 4. Enter your script. Now type your text exactly how you want it spoken. Tip: write naturally. Use punctuation for pauses. Keep sentences clean. Step 5. Generate voice click run. Within seconds, your AI voice will be ready. You'll see a built-in audio player. Step 6. Download the audio airs. If you're happy with the result, download the file. You can use it for YouTube videos, voiceovers, presentations, content creation. Pro tip: use commas, full stops, and line breaks to control speed, tone, flow. Small tweaks, much better voice quality. And that's it. Now you know how to use Google AI Studio for free text-to-speech in 2026. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.